I borrowed 2 lakh rupees from my father and lost almost all of it in just 2 hours. Here is what happened. A random guy contacted me, said he gives Nifty calls with 95% accuracy. Deal was simple. 30% profit share. He sent me fake screenshots of profit that looked real. I believed it. So I asked my father for 2 lakh. He hesitated at first, but I showed him those screenshots and convinced him to. So he gave 2 lakh without hesitation. The next day, market was opened with big bearish candle. So the signal guy said, enter immediately. No structure, no stop loss, just enter. I entered at a price around 94 rupees with 1 lakh rupees. Within 5 minutes, market started to reverse. He told me to average down. So I did with another 1 lakh rupees at around price 69 rupees. Price kept going against me. I kept asking for stop loss. Every time he just said, hold it will reverse. At 11:24 am, I couldn't take it anymore. So I closed everything myself. 1095 quantity, bought at 94 rupees and another 1500 quantity, averaged at 69 rupees, sold just for 12 rupees. That means I lost 85% of my capital, exactly 1,75,000 rupees in just 2 hours. And then signal guy called me back. You know what he said? I will recover your losses. Just send me rupees 50,000 into my account so I can raise funds from my senior. And that's when I understood exactly what had happened. I was scammed, a well-documented one. So let me break down every red flag that I ignored. First, profit screenshot with no losing trades. No real trader has 100% win rate. Those screenshots were fake or cherry picked. Second, no stop loss ever given. A real trader always defines risk before entry. If someone gives you signal without SL, just walk away. Third, averaging down on a losing position. That's not a strategy. That's a desperation management. Fourth, market will reverse. No one knows exactly what the market will do at a specific time. And the last one, asking for money to recover my losses. This is the final trap. Once you send that money, it's gone forever. I thought about reporting to cybercrime department, but everything happened from my side. He was clean on paper. He stayed invisible and I carry all the risk. That day, I decided I will never trade someone else's calls again. Learn basic yourself. Define your risk before every trade and understand what you are buying before you buy it. That's what this channel is about. Real trading, real mistake, real learning. If this video helped you, follow. Because every video here is built on something that actually happened.